Why don't seniors ever play hide and seek? Because every time they try, the one hiding forgets where they are, and the one seeking forgets what they're looking for. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on games for seniors to play. Tip 1. Choose games that combine mental exercise with fun. Games like crossword puzzles, Sudoku or Scrabble can strengthen a senior's cognitive abilities. They keep the mind active and improve memory and concentration. Plus, they're enjoyable and time-consuming, which can be a great way to kill boredom. Tip 2. Consider physical games or sports that are compatible with their health condition. Games like golf, bowling, or even virtual reality games can keep seniors physically active. They help to improve hand-eye coordination, agility and strength, cautiously promoting physical exercise while having fun. Tip 3. Introduce multiplayer games to promote social interaction. Games like bridge, poker, mahjong or dominoes can provide a platform for social interaction, which is crucial for seniors to maintain good mental health. These games can be played with friends, family or even caregivers, promoting bonding and a sense of community. Tip 4. Identify games that require strategic thinking. Games like chess, backgammon or checkers can help to maintain critical thinking skills. These games encourage seniors to think strategically, which can be beneficial to cognitive health and maintaining mental sharpness. Tip 5. Allow customization of the game difficulty. Some video games or computer games allow adjusting the level of difficulty based on the individual's ability. This ensures that the game is not too easy, which may be boring, or too challenging, which may cause frustration. Tip 6. Consider the use of technology. Games on tablets or smartphones can be engaging and can develop tech skills. Many seniors enjoy games like Candy Crush, Solitaire or Words with Friends, which can be played at their own pace and can also provide social interaction through online gaming communities. Tip 7. Don't overlook the classics. Traditional board games like Monopoly, Scrabble and Clue still have a lot to offer. They are engaging, fun and easy to play and can jog memories of good times in the past. Tip 8. Incorporate trivia or knowledge-based games. These games can include categories that seniors might be interested in, such as history, geography or entertainment. Games like Trivial Pursuit can help maintain general knowledge and stimulate memory. Tip 9. Consider games that involve creativity. Games where seniors can create something like Pictionary or even craft-based activities can stimulate creativity and provide a sense of accomplishment. Tip 10. Try learning games that could offer a new skill. Games such as language learning apps, musical instrument games or cooking games can be stimulating and rewarding to play. Tip 11. Balance competitiveness and cooperativeness. Competitive games can encourage seniors to challenge themselves and strive to improve, while cooperative games emphasize teamwork and building relationships. Having an assortment of both types of games can cater to different moods and situations.